Hello everyone, I am Bradley Sward, Associate Professor of Computer and Information Science at the College of DuPage in Glen Ellen, Illinois. And this video today is part 2 of day 18 of the 2021 Advent of Code. Might be my swan song for this one this year, Snailfish part 2. And it took me long enough to get part 1, and then part 2 took me no more than a couple minutes to get this thing going. So I thought I had the thing going, I thought I had it showing. So the problem... Snailfish, I'm not going to go over part 1 again. That was a trek and a half trying to learn Python and trying to figure out all reference types. And for part 2 is basically that x plus y and y plus x can produce different results. So the math is not commutative, just like matrix mathematics, things like that, which is interesting in itself. Maybe not interesting enough to continue study, but pretty interesting. In its own right. And so the whole point now is I have 100 pieces of data, I have 100 lines, and then the question is if I combine any two of them, well, not the same one twice, but if I combine any two of them in any order, or try all of them and basically tell you or tell the world what is the greatest sum that you get out of that when it comes down to the magnitude of that number. And so all I really had to do, and because the first time I was making this, when I was making this for part 1, there was no reason to keep the original data. So basically when I did everything, I was kind of blowing out the data as I went because I didn't have to worry about it because I used it up and then it just kind of got lost to time. So I'm gonna use deep copy here, and that's the only difference when it comes to like the code itself, when it comes to like the logic of the previous problem. The only thing I'm changing is down here is I'm just going to use deep copies of the different values, so that I'm basically making a value, copying or using by value instead of by reference. And so by doing that, then I can use this thing 100 times and not every time it's a new copy of something, so I don't have to worry anymore about blowing out the original real deal data. But otherwise, basically for every test against every other test, and if they're not the same thing, add them together and do the exact same stuff as before, and use a max to keep on going and tell me what the largest magnitude is and print it out. And it takes a little while. It is a little slower because it's doing 10,000 of these types of calculations. Let's see, maybe it's this deep copy that's doing it, but that's where I'm at with this, and it does come up with the correct answer if you give it enough time. And I thought it would be kind of done by now already, but maybe a couple more seconds. And so, well, the answer is supposed to be, when it comes up here, is supposed to be 4,536, and we're waiting, and we're still waiting, and we're still waiting. I don't care how long it takes. Come on. I care, but it'll be done pretty soon here. There's my answer, 4,536, like I was expecting. So there's the code for you. This is the only main difference is just kind of changing up these kind of things and adding a little bit on the back end and that import. So if you have any questions or if you just want to talk code, anything like that, post below here and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So like I was saying before, this is probably my swan song. The problems are getting, I would say, more difficult, at least for me. And they were fun when they could take about half an hour or whatever. But as these things start taking up more and more time, do not have time for that in the current time. So I might be able to put one out here and there if I finally solve one, but it's not going to be in a timely manner. So maybe next year. It was a good 2021. So thanks for everybody who's been watching these videos. I appreciate it. And well, we'll see what happens. So I'll be making other videos for other things too in the future. So thanks for sticking out with me. As always, have a great day, everybody. Take care and see you next time.